This year, I'm thankful for
Beans right, Jesus Christ, and
dividends. Welcome back to the Financial Beanstalk. If you're new here, my name is Nick, and this is SPHD, which stands for Stocks I Bought and Dividends I Got, which is my monthly dividend portfolio update. I'm going with the red background, even though according to Fidelity, I was up 2.88% in this portfolio, and I made $222. But I'm pretty sure that's not accurate, and that's just the money that I added into my portfolio. Because if you look at what I ended the month at last month, I only actually made about $90. And if you look at the year to date, it says I'm up 7,800%, which is definitely not true. I'm not that much of a stock market genius. Close though. So we're going with what everyone else is going to say about November, and go with red. So let's get into it with the stocks I bought. On the 1st, I bought $4.34 of SPHD. On the 4th, $4.43 from Altria, $7.56 from Apple, $8.44 of Disney. I'm going to put a little asterisk here because I'm not quite sure if Disney is ever going to return their dividend. I really think they're just going to kind of funnel all of that extra capital into Disney Plus. So I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to continue adding to my Disney position in this portfolio at least. I also bought $9.95 of SCHD and $5.29 of Verizon. On the 5th, $6.65 from Republic Services. On the 8th, $9.03 from Apple, $4.51 from Coca Cola, $8.11 from Johnson & Johnson, $10.05 of Microsoft, $7.15 from Realty Income, $5.12 from SCHY, $7.87 from SCHD, $5.51 of VYM. On the 15th, $7.37 of Proctor Gamble, $7.08 from Realty Income, $7.92 of SCHD, and $4.29 from Stag Industrial. On the 18th, $15.13 of Visa. And then on the 26th, I went Black Friday shopping, and I spent $15.81 on Apple, $5.63 on SPHD, $33.55 on Microsoft, $6.24 on Northwest Energy, $13.61 on Republic Services, $11 on SCHY, $24.68 on SCHD, $19.71 on 3M, and $15.20 on VNQ. And then to round out the month on the 30th, about $7.62 of SCHD, $6.84 of Realty Income, $10.63 of VYM, and $1.99 of Microsoft. So in total, I spent $318.31 on stocks this month. Quite a lot. Onto the dividends I got. On the 1st, I got $4.16 from AT&T. I'm still holding strong onto my shares, even though it just continues to dip, and I know a bunch of people have sold out of AT&T completely, but I'm just holding on and seeing where this whole split off with this new company is going to go. Maybe that'll bite me in the butt later. I also got $1.28 from Verizon. On the 4th, 37 cents from JEPI. On the 11th, $1.15 from Apple. On the 15th, 63 cents from Main Street Capital, $1.96 from Realty Income, 41 cents from Stag Industrial, and 90 cents from Procter Gamble. Then on the 30th, I got $1.64 from SPHD. So in total, I got $12.50 in dividends this month. But wait, there's more! I also got $17.49 from the Orion Office REIT, ticker symbol ONL. And I know what you're thinking. Nick, you didn't mention that you bought Orion in the SIB section. Where's this coming from? Well, the Orion Office REIT is a split off from Realty Income, ticker symbol O. And they were giving shares of Orion to Realty Income shareholders, but you had to have a minimum of 10 shares to get a share in this split off. I only have around 8.5 right now, so instead of giving me any shares in the company, they just gave me cash. So in total, with the dividends and that extra cash I actually got $29.99 total in my portfolio this month, which is pretty solid. And I considered putting this $17.49 into ONL. Must be a good company if they're split off from Realty Income, which I love, right? But I figured I'll wait a little bit and do a little more research on them before I invest in them. Also, like the name implies, they are an office REIT, and I'm not entirely confident in investing in office REITs right now. I've been working from home since the beginning of 2020, and I don't ever have to go into the office if I really don't want to, so I'm not entirely sure how other companies will be handling office space. I'm sure there'll be some place for them, but I'm not confident for them until I do a little more research. The stock market was a bloodbath in November, according to all of the headlines that are going to be out there. But really, the S&P 500 was only down about 0.5% for the entire month, which really isn't that bad. Sure, it's not that great to not make any money, but compared to the crazy run-up we've had over the last couple years, we're still way higher than we were before. I heard someone mention that if you're in for the long term, there's never been a bad time to invest, because if you look at the stock chart of the S&P 500 for the last 20, 30 years, really, there hasn't been a bad time to invest because you don't need to worry about it when you are on a long-term investing horizon. So in situations like this, listen to the wisdom of Douglas Adams, who wrote The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Don't panic. So if you've been waiting to invest or you're waiting for the market to dip even more,
Stop it.
just start investing right now. I'm pretty sure you won't regret it. Or don't, because I'm just some guy on the internet not giving you financial advice. There's not too much else to say. For me, I'm just gonna stick to my process of buying on the red days, continuing to reinvest my dividends, and I think it's gonna pay off for me in the future. It might seem boring, but I actually found a quote by George Soros that backs this up. He said, "If investing is entertaining, if you're having fun, you're probably not making any money. Good investing is boring." So I'll take that as I'm doing something right. Or I'm just a boring person and like boring investments, which I'll take as well. December is going to be my biggest month of dividends that I've ever had, so that's going to be pretty cool. December is also going to be a very interesting month in the stock market. A lot of people sell off stocks at the end of the year, either for tax loss harvesting or to take profits. There's obviously all of the inflation stuff going on right now, so it's going to be a pretty interesting month. And it's my birthday in December, so if you want to get me a birthday present, YouTube mumbo jumbo, that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. I truly appreciate you watching, and let's continue to grow this beanstalk.